Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying exactly what is wrong and why it matters. Open the report, compare course codes and percentages to your graded work, and save screenshots. Once done, gather supporting evidence, graded papers, assignment timestamps, rubric excerpts, and any relevant emails. Make sure to note deadlines and the policy for grade disputes so you act on time. This first step prevents wasted effort and frames the correction request clearly when you contact the instructor or registrar. Next, request a formal review by emailing the instructor or using the school's portal. In your message, state the discrepancy clearly, course, assignment, date, and expected versus reported percentage, and attach 2 key pieces of evidence. Explain why the grade appears incorrect and request a recheck of the calculation or rubric application. Once sent, follow up in 3 to 5 business days. If you get no response, escalate to your academic advisor or department chair with the same documentation. If the instructor's review doesn't resolve the issue, escalate by filing the school's formal appeal or grade change form, attaching all evidence and correspondence. Attend any scheduled meetings prepared. Bring printed copies, a concise timeline, and state the outcome you seek. Once an administrative decision is made, verify the updated record in the system. Troubleshoot by requesting a recalculation, administrative audit, or mediation if discrepancies persist. Document every step so you have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.